Hey, what's up, guys? Chan Trades, otherwise known as Luke. Just get some. Oh, dude, what is it? I'm gonna take these AirPods out. Hold on. Let him charge for a second. Alright, so I recorded this whole trade live, and I'm just gonna keep it for myself, basically. Not because I don't want to share it with you guys. I honestly just don't want to sit down and edit the whole thing, because it would be a few hours, an hour and a half, something like that. I took way more trades than I should have. That's the short and simple question, or answer to the question. Basically today, coming into today, we had London session consolidation. We had manipulation for during New York pre-market. Nvidia earnings came out yesterday. They were really good. Nvidia makes up like a lot of the market, so I was kind of waiting to see what Nvidia did. We ripped a little bit on Nvidia, and we just kind of had this huge cool off and just came down. So I really thought that we just kind of looking at my draws on liquidity, I wanted to be bullish today, but I thought we were going to present a bearish setup. I thought there was going to be some sort of sell-off with Nvidia, maybe not as drastic as happened, and also like Bitcoin had a huge sell-off today. We don't need the futures. That's fine. I guess the futures are fine. Whatever. You can see Wednesday today, huge sell-off. Just a big sell-off in the market today. Job data came out. It was okay. I think a little missed job data, kind of coupled with how everything has been going, kind of drove this price action. So the trade that I took was actually on NQ. This is the first trade. I made this super small. What the hell? Where's it drawn at? Hello? There we go. Okay, so basically what I did is we open, we're kind of just consolidating, but we break 5-minute structure. So it's really this 5-minute move. We have an SMT that was formed, low time frame, 5-minute SMT, which is chill. That was formed right here. Same thing on. Here's the SMT. Boom. So we're chilling. The SMT. We basically break 5-minute structure on NQ, and then we're just kind of in the zone. We essentially what we do is we take out equilibrium for this low, and we also fill in a breaker block. On the 1 minute, that looks like an inverse fair value gap is where I entered off of, which is good. Where are we at? We're right here. Inverse fair value gap, which was right here. Honestly, like, kind of a poor entry. I think we do inverse this gap just barely, but I don't know. I probably should have waited for another candle to really see how he played out. Yeah, let's just stop at the high. It was not the best trade. Took it on my personal and my funded. That was the first one. That's when I should have just been done for the day. But no, we started to reverse in price, and this was another 5-minute entry. I was trying to catch a long up to these highs, and I had a lot of good reasons behind it. Like, it wasn't necessarily bad per se. I get stopped out too. I won't really like go into depth and detail, but I basically entered off of a 5-minute. If we can go back, so there's no draw on liquidity, right? That I entered off using this, but I did enter off. There was yet again another breaker block, or sorry, this was order block right here, and we just tapped into the order block, and we had a really good bullish close out of it on the 1 minute. Or really on the 5-minute is where I entered, but then on the 1 minute is where I kind of got the confirmation breaker structure. Really good, nice bullish candle, and then just goes to shit. So it is what it is. Then at the end of the day, like I was trying to look for the short, like that made this move. Like I did predict this move to happen. I think there's just been a lot of stuff with my own personal self I really need to address, and there's no better time than now. We're getting to the end of the year, and realistically, everything that I need to accomplish with trading, um, how do I put this? To be where I want to be, I really hoped to achieve it this year, and I didn't. That doesn't mean that I didn't achieve a lot. That doesn't mean that I don't have the blueprint to make this work. So it's really just about me and what I can do with the situation that I'm in, and I think a lot of good things are gonna happen. So just banking on myself. It's gonna be good. I'll keep you guys updated as always, and if you're loved, you're seen, and that's about it. Have a good day. Peace.